Hello everyone. So today we are solving another question of JEE 2020 from the topic of unit and dimension. So let's read the question. So it is mentioned that it is convenient to construct a system of units so that all quantities can be expressed in terms of only one physical quantity with some using some powers on that. So that physical quantity given here is x and we have to put some powers to make all other physical quantities of our general use. So let's write whatever is given first. So x to the power alpha, dimension of x. So we will use this notation of the square brackets for the dimension. Okay, so don't consider it as equal. So dimension of x to the power alpha is equal to the position of position. It means L. I mean, we measure position in L. The dimension of position is L1. Okay. Now given x to the power beta, dimension of x to the power beta is equal to speed, that is Lt minus 1. Again given acceleration x to the power p is equal to Lt minus 2. Now linear momentum, what is linear momentum? It is nothing but x to the power q is equal to m Lt minus 1. Then x to the power r, I think it's r, yeah, r is given as force, that is mLt minus 2. Now what can we solve, do to get some equations? So let's suppose if we divide these two, so what we will get? X to the power r minus q will be equal to t minus 1. Also now see they are also just kind of same, like if we divide m, so x to the power p minus what is that, beta is equal to also t minus 1. Also if we do for this, then again we will get t to the power minus 1. So we can write x to the power beta minus alpha is equal to same as t minus 1. So from this what we get, that r minus q is equal to p minus beta is equal to beta minus alpha. What did I make an infinity? Like it should be alpha. Okay. Now what relations we can get to match our options? So let me write all those equations here. R minus q is equal to p minus beta is equal to beta minus alpha. Okay, so let's first match our option D, that's p plus q plus r equal to beta. So p, r and beta, using these two equations, what we can do, r minus q minus p is equal to minus beta, or we can write it as p plus q minus r equal to beta. Is it matching with any of our options? Yes, it is matching with our option B. It means that the beta is not equal to p plus q plus r, but it is equal to p plus q minus r. Hence our option D is incorrect. Now to check among A and C, alpha plus p equal to 2 beta. So using this equation, we can clearly see that p plus alpha is equal to 2 beta. Hence this option also matched here. Now for C, what we have to find alpha in terms of p, q and r. Okay, p, q and r we have to find alpha. So what we can use here, we have to substitute beta actually, no? So r minus q is equal to r minus q minus p is equal to minus beta. For here also, what is beta? Beta is p plus alpha by 2. Now if we put beta as this, so r minus q minus p is equal to minus p by 2 minus alpha by 2. Multiplying whole equation with 2, we will get, and like minus 2 actually. So we will get 2q plus 2p minus 2r is equal to p plus alpha. Hence p plus 2q minus 2r is equal to alpha. So this is in the terms of p, q and r for our alpha, which is not matching our option C. Hence we get option A and D as our correct option. Thank you everyone.